Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, I am going to give you an overview on Cypress automation tool. You are going to learn what is Cypress, the comparison between Cypress and other automation testing tool, key features of Cypress, why we need to use Cypress, and also the installation process of Cypress in our system. Let's begin. Cypress is front-end automation testing tool which is used for modern web applications. Cypress is open source, free for use, and it is majorly built for modern web applications. As we already know that the web applications are evolving. To evolve the testing process automation framework, Cypress came into existence. A quick comparison between Cypress versus Selenium. As you can see on my slide, Cypress, when you execute your test cases, it will directly communicate with the browser, whereas Selenium, it will execute the test cases and convert your test cases in JSON format, then sends to browser driver, then browser driver will communicate with browser. Again, browser will send the results to browser driver, and then browser driver will send the results to Eclipse, which is editor. This is a long process in Selenium, whereas Cypress directly communicates with your web browser. So why Cypress? Compared to all other automation testing tools, we have these many advantages using Cypress. Cypress is fast, consistent, and reliable. When it comes to debugging, it has advanced level debugging. You can time travel, you can see before action and after action. After execution of every test cases, it will record you the video and it will also capture the screenshots. Cypress has its own dashboard and it also has multiple browser support. We can execute our test cases in headed or headless mode. When someone is asking you why you are using Cypress, you can pick any of these reasons and tell to them. Let's start installing Cypress in our systems. We are doing Cypress automation using JavaScript. So we need to install NodeJS first. And we are going to install the editor, which is Visual Studio Code. And then we are creating a project and install the Cypress in it. So these are all the steps which are mentioned on this slide. So let's do it one by one. Open Google Chrome and search for Node.js and click on this link. Go to downloads and here the pre-built installer. You can select your system and then this is the stable version. Just click on this download Node.js. It is downloading. Let's wait. Node.js is downloaded. Just open it. And after clicking on that pkg file, it will open the installer. Just click on continue and continue. So it will ask this agree and then click on this install. It will ask the password if you are Mac users. Install software. So it will take some time for installation. So it's already installed. So it has successfully installed Node.js in our system. In order to validate that Node.js is installed in our system or not, just open the terminal and hit the command node space ---- version. As you can see, it is showing me the version which we installed. So Node.js is successfully installed in our system. So our next step is installing the Visual Studio Code. Click on VS Code download and you can click on the first link which appears. Here it is showing me. So if you are Windows, you can click on this, and if you are Mac users, you can click on this. So, download. It is getting downloaded. Let's wait for it. After downloading, just click on this, open, and it will It will open you the default screen of Visual Studio Code. If you look into the PPT, we have already downloaded VS Code, NodeJS, and we also install NodeJS in our system. And then we need to create a project in VS Code with these commands and then install. Let me show it to you. So in VS Code, just click on this terminal, the small X icon, click on it and go to terminal here. We need to create a project folder first. For that, we will be typing mkdir space the folder name. I am giving it as Cypress Automation. Just hit enter. To navigate to that folder, use the command cd space the folder name. Now you are in that project. So we need to install the Cypress on project level, right? So for that, before we need to install npm package because we are using JavaScript and Node Package Manager is very important to deal with JavaScript projects. So for that, we will be installing npm space -i space init. It will install. So it will install npm in our project. Just click on enter, enter, enter. At last it will ask you, is this okay? Just hit yes. As you can see, it is already installed 10.8.2 version. Now it's time to install Cypress. For that, we will be using npm install cypress -save -dev. Hit enter. It will take some time to install Cypress. As you can see, it is loading. As you can see, Cypress is installed successfully and it has added 174 packages. Now let's navigate to the folder which we have created. So this is our Cypress automation. Click on open. Here we go. For the time being, just click this, close this, and from the terminal, hit the command npx cypress open. It will open the Cypress dashboard. As you can see, just click on continue. And here we go. We will be using end-to-end testing. Just click continue and you can see these are the two browsers. Electron is the inbuilt browser in Cypress and the Chrome which we have in our system. So it will show all the browsers which are installed on our system. So I only have Chrome in my system. That's the reason it is showing Chrome. If you have Firefox, Internet Explorer in your system, then it will also show you those two browsers here. When you click on start end-to-end testing in Chrome, let's say you can select any browser and it will open the Cypress test runner and you can see the specs. Specs are considered as tests. We don't have any test cases in our project. That's the reason and it is showing us empty. If you have any test cases, it will fall under the specs and then you can execute it. This is pretty much about installing the Cypress in our system, and we also discussed how to open the Cypress dashboard with the command npx cypress open. Feel free to ask questions. Thank you.